Alright class, so I understand that we're getting a little stuck on one problem, and I have it written up here on the board, so I thought we'd go over it as a class. Alright, would you guys like to do the distributive method, or would you like to do the box method?
The distributed method.
Alright, perfect. So, let's do it together. So we're going to take this first term and multiply it with this, and that term here and here. Alright, so let's just focus on those first. So 3x squared times 2x squared. So we have 3 times 2 is?
6.
Alright, and then we have x squared times x squared.
X to the 4th.
Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to take our next term, 3x squared times x, which would be?
3x cubed.
Perfect. Alright, and then we're going to take this 3x squared and multiply it to -4.
Negative 12x squared.
Perfect. Alright, so we have the first term done on this side. So now let's take a different color. Alright, and we're going to do -7x. So let's go under this time so we can just tell the difference. Alright, so -7x squared times 2x squared is?
Negative 14x cubed.
Alright, and then we have -x squared times x?
Negative 7x squared.
Correct. And then finally we have -7x times -4.
Positive 28x.
Perfect. And it is a positive because remember,
It's a double negative.
double negative equals a positive.
Yes.
Alright, so then we'll take the green again and go under so then we can see the difference. So we're going to take these. Alright, so we have 8 times 2x squared.
16x squared.
Perfect. Alright, 8 times x.
8x.
Alright, and finally we have 8 times -4.
32. But it's a negative.
Perfect. Alright, so now let's combine like terms. Alright, so do we have any 6x to the 4th?
No.
No. Alright, so we're going to leave that all by itself. Do we have any x cubes?
Yes.
Alright, where do we see them?
3x cubed.
Alright,
And the negative 14x cubed.
okay. And that looks to be it. So we have -14x cubed plus 3x cubed, which is?
Negative 11x cubed.
Perfect. Alright. Do we see any more? Do we see any x squareds?
Yes.
Perfect. So we're going to circle these. So we have one here, and another one here. So we have -12x squared minus 7x squared, which is?
Negative 19x squared.
Perfect. And we're going to add 16x squared with it now, which is?
Negative 3x squared.
Perfect. Alright, so now we have our x's. So 28x plus 8x. We'll make these triangles. Alright, so if we add those together, we get?
36x.
Perfect. And then this is the only one without a variable on it. So then we get our final answer, which is 6x to the 4th minus 11x to the 3rd minus 3x squared plus 36x minus 32. And that's how you can do it with the distributive property. Now, let's go ahead and use the box method with this. Alright, and we'll just take it off to the side. So we're going to draw our square. Alright, and now we have a 3 by 3. So we're going to separate these as such. Alright, so we'll take the first terms. This will be 3x squared minus 7x plus 8. Alright, this is 2x squared plus x minus 4. Now we're going to multiply in each box together. So we combine these and we get 6x to the 4th, negative 14x cubed, 16x squared, 3x cubed, negative 7x squared, 8x, negative 12x squared, positive 28x, minus 32. Alright, so now we're going to put that under here, each term. 6x to the 4th minus 14x cubed plus 16x squared plus 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x minus 12x squared plus 28x minus 32. And we'll go ahead and do the same process up here where we combined like terms and simplified it. Another way that we could look at this is if you go on the diagonal, we'll take a different color here. If you go on the diagonal, you can automatically add these together, which can save you one more step if you guys want to do the shortcut. Alright, do you guys have any questions for me?
No.
Alright, thanks for listening today, class. Have a great day.